Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Perch Sarciado. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onion, eggs, garlic, spring onion. We have fried perch here. We have chopped tomatoes, chicken bouillon, salt and pepper, olive oil, fish sauce. And we're gonna use also little of water while we cook this. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot pan here, we add olive oil or vegetable oil, it's your choice. And we add our onions. Let's wait a minute for this to cook. Now the onion is cooked. Let's add our garlic. Okay. Let's wait 30 seconds to a minute. Cook the garlic. Now this is the time to add our chopped tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna cook the tomatoes for the next, I should say, 3 to 4 minutes. This is the time to add a little of fish sauce. Give it a stir, and we'll cover this. Let's put a little of ground pepper. Alright. Cover it. Now let's put just a little of teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Okay. Then add our spring onion. Then give it a stir. Nice, beautiful color now. We're gonna wait, I guess, 2 more minutes before we put in our fish. We'll cover it for the meantime. Let's add a little of water. Okay, and cover it again. Now this is the time to add our fish. We're gonna use perch here, so we put in our fish. Okay, so the fish will absorb the juice and the sauce. Okay, gonna cook this for the next 2 minutes each side, and then we're gonna turn it over and cook the other side. Cover it. Now we will turn it over. Okay. So the other side will absorb the sauce. Okay. There you go. There you go. It's beautiful. So cook it again for the next 2 minutes. Now we will pour in our beaten egg. Okay. Give it another minute, and then we're gonna pour this into our fish. Now here is our fish. We're gonna pour in the sauce, right? Okay. There you go. All right. There you go. This is the finished product. Here is the finished product. Perch Sarciado. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.